77, serving offender number 12, Reggie Macintosh. For Saudi Nursing number 7, Abdullah number 6, Richard Guerra. Number 12, Christian Bolao, and number 3. Number 3, Raymond Gordon, number 10, Josh Pan. First possession belongs to Saudi Nursing. Isguera with the ball. Isguera to turn. Abdullah to Bulaon. Bulaon loses the ball. Foul. But there's a foul. Foul on Saudi Nursing. Turnover for Bulaon, number 12. Foul on Bulaon, number 12. First personal foul, first team foul. Patrick to Palma. Palma against 10. Palma versus what's the call, ref? Stepping on the bounce, turnover for Yolanda Holmes. 10. Manning the point for Saudi Nursing. To Katdula. Katdula for Trey. Bang! Katdula for Trey. Palma will answer. No good. Rebound is Guerra. Guerra 1-on-1 with Milan. Spin. Shot. Shot is good for Mrs. Guerra. 5-0 blitz by Saudi Nursing. Noman. Monteveros. Monteveros right. Shot for good. Rebound. Gordon. Gordon turnover. Stolen by Palma. Palma. Baseline jumper. No good. Rebound. Fuente. Fuente. Shot. No good. Rebound. Guerra, but there's a foul. Foul on Yolanda Holmes. Number 23, Ian Ontiveros. First on Ontiveros, first on Yolanda. 5-0 is the score in favor of Saudi Nursing. Bulaon. Bulaon to Katdula. Katdula corner tray. Overshoots. Rebound Ontiveros. Ontiveros with the ball. Ontiveros drives. Shot no good. Rebound. Isguera. Isguera to Tan. Tan against Macintosh. Tan. Pull-up jumper. Money for Josh Tan. 7-0 run by Saudi Nursing. Palma against Tan. Palma founded by Isguera. Palma against the basket. Puts it up. Puts it in for General Palma. Yolanda is on the board. Guerra to Katdula. Back to Isguera. Swings to Josh Tan. Stop. Pops for Josh Tan. No good. Rebound by Guerra. Put back by Katdula. Joshua is for Katdula. The lead is 7 for Saudi Nursing. Noman to Palma. To Nofuente. Nofuente kicks it out to Macintosh. Macintosh. Step back two. Money for Raven Macintosh. The lead is 5 for Saudi Nursing. Katdula, sorry, Guerra spin by Bulaon. To Katdula. Katdula for Trey. Bang! 3 points for Katdula. The lead is 8 for Saudi Nursing. Palma loses the ball. Stolen by Katdula. Isguera to Tan. Tan hangs it up. No good. Rebound by Isguera, but there's a foul. Foul on Yolanda. Number 77, Chervin Fuente. That's person of Fuente. Second team foul on Yolanda. Reaches Guerra, charity strike, shooting 2 free throws. This is second game for week 5 between Saudi Nursing and Yolanda Holmes. First one for Guerra is good. Giving Saudi Nursing a 9-point lead. 1 out of 2 first Guerra. Rebound for Teberos. Palma instead. Kicks it out to Macintosh. Macintosh for Trey. No good. Rebound. Rebound by Katdula. Katdula with the numbers. Behind the back pass. Pass is too low. Intended for Isguera. Turnover The lead is 9. Naman, narin the point for Yolanda. Ontiveros. Ontiveros, pass the basket, behind the back pass to Fuente. But there's a foul. What a pass by Ontiveros to Fuente. Foul on Xavier Nursing. Who's foul, right? Foul on number 6 is Guerra. First personal foul on is Guerra. 17 foul on Xavier Nursing. First one for the Fuente is good. Running the lead to 8 for Yolanda. Next sub rep. One out of 2 for the Fuente. What is the foul? Sub rep. Sub rep, sub. Radio Macintosh out. General Gomez in for Yolanda. Tan and Balaon out. Yandan and Concepcion checks in for Yolanda out for Saudi University. Gomez to Palma. Palma against Yandan. Palma splits the defense. Blocked by Gordon. Put back by Gomez is there. Defensive rebound and put back by General Gomez. The lead is 6 for Saudi University. Katdula to Esquerra. To Katdula for Trey. No good. Rebound by Esquerra. Esquerra put back. No good. Rebound Dumal. Patrick in the ball. Patrick, elbow jumper. Money for Patrick Dumal. Next sub rep. The lead is down to 4. 3 minutes and 20 in the ball game. In the first quarter. 4-point lead by Saudi Arabia. Dula to Esquerra. Esquerra against Numan. Esquerra, hounded by Numan. Loses the ball. Ball recovered by Gordon. 3 to shoot. Possession will remain sublet. With Saudi University. Dula checks out. Vivanis checks in. 3 on the shot clock for Saudi University. 3 to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. Yandan. But there's a foul. Foul on the shot. Foul on Yolanda, number 6. Patrick Roman. First personal foul, third team foul. Yandan travels to the free throw line for 3 free throws. First one for Yandan is good, giving Saudi University a 5-point lead. Second one is no good for Nick Yandan. We're approaching the last 2 minutes in the first quarter. Two out of 3 for Nick Yandan. 6-point lead by Saudi University. Palma is the basket. Then it up. No good. Rebound. Gordon. The Concepcion. But there's a foul. Foul on Yolanda Holmes. Foul on number 6. Patrick Roman. Foul on Yolanda, number 6, Patrick Roman. That's 2 on Patrick. Warning for penalty on Yolanda. 2 shots upon Yolanda. First free throw for Concepcion is good, giving Saudi University a 7-point lead. 2 out of 2 for Concepcion, steady in the free throw line. 8-point lead by Saudi University. Ontiveros. Palma with the ball. Palma driving baseline. Palma loses the ball. Yolanda. 11 on the shot clock for Yolanda. 11 to shoot. Gomez for Ontiveros. Ontiveros against Vivanis. Drop pass to Gomez. Money on jumper for Janal Gomez. Shot clock is off. Last 14 in the first quarter. Escala looking for a teammate to Vivares. 5 seconds to shoot. Vivares to Concepcion. Concepcion driving baseline. Drop pass stolen by the That's the end of the first quarter. Official score 17 for Salvio Nursing, 11 for Yolanda Holmes.
Get ready for another season of the Northern Brand Basketball. The Northern Fellows Basketball is the boldest to the winning tradition because we are the League of the North. The Abigail Salvio Game Jump Court Games Classic features 7 participating teams which will battle for Northern Basketball supremacy. Salvio Nursing, receive the game you deserve. Games a call away at Salvio Gear. In Yolanda Homes, whether you're looking to build your forever home or construct a multi-dwelling unit development project, Yolanda Homes is here to support you every step of the way. Legacy Assist. Whether you're living in your home or in shared
Okay, let's go back to the ball game. Second quarter possession belongs to Yolanda Holmes. Palma with the ball. Ontiveros kicks it out to Macintosh. Macintosh for three. In and out. Rebound. Adrian Minutes. Tan with the ball against the man. Tan loses the ball. Stolen by Reyna Macintosh. Macintosh for pass to Palma. Loses the ball. Stolen by Adrian. Vivares to Yandan. Yandan driving baseline. Shot is good for Ramik Yandan. The lead is 8 for Salvio Nursing. Palma against Vivares. Palma drives. Drives and scores for Palma. That's a foul. Foul on Salvio Nursing number 10. Blocking foul on number 10, Josh Tan. First personal foul, first team foul. Palma, chance for a 3-point play. The lead is cut down to 6. Chance for Palma to cut the lead to 5 for Yolanda Holmes. Bonus free personal, good rebound is Guerra. Guerra against Hamilton. Adrian with the ball, hounded by Arabia. Adrian in trouble, stolen by Noman, turnover by Adrian. Adrian against Vivares, pass to Palma. What a pass by Patrick to Palma. Khalil is cut down to 4. Tan, pass to basket, plays it up, plays it in. For Josh Dan. Stolen by Vivares. Vivares drives, no good, rebound. Janal Gomez. Janal to Palma. Palma against Tan. Drop pass to Arabia. Dragon no good. Rebound by Josh Tan. Sends it to Vivares. Vivares. Yes, Guerra. Yandan with the ball. Yandan loses the ball, but there's a foul. Foul on Yolanda number 1. Janal Gomez Sabrek. First personal foul on Janal. First team foul on Yolanda. Sabrek. Adrian out. Adrian out. Dula in for Yolanda. Salvio Nursing brother. Ramnik Yandan travels to the free-throw line, shooting 2 free throws. A lady 6, chance for Salvio Nursing to increase the lead. First one is good for Ramnik Yandan. A lady 7. 2 out of 2 for Ramnik Yandan. The lead is 8 for Saudi Anderson. Ontiveros against Nakula. Drop pass to General Gomez. Loses the ball. Last touch on Saudi Anderson. 14 on the shot clock. 14 to shoot for Yolanda. The lead is 8 for Yolanda. Sorry, Saudi Anderson brothers. Ontiveros to Macintosh. Macintosh for Dre. No good. Rebound Ontiveros. Fresh 14 for Yolanda. Ontiveros is the ball, but there's a foul. Sub-rep, son. Foul on Saudi Anderson. Number 11, Bibares. First personal foul, 17 foul. Bibares and Yandan checks out. Bulaon and Concepcion checks in for Saudi Anderson. Patek to Palma. Deep three. Bang! 3 points for Gerald Palma. The lead is down to 5. Gatgula. To Guerra. Time corner 3 overshoot. Rebound. Concepcion. And halftime rebound. Gomez. Palma with the ball. Palma. Drop pass to General Gomez, takes it to the right. Last touch on Yolanda, possession shall be clear. The lead is 5 for Saudi University. Gatgula, looking for a teammate to Bulaon. To Concepcion. Concepcion, all along for Trey, too strong. Rebound, General Gomez. Palma with the ball. Palma against Concepcion, and Sabo good. Offensive rebound by Patrick. Patrick naman, drop pass to General Gomez. General, shot, no good. Traveling violation created by General Gomez. Turnover for Yolanda. Gatgula with the ball. Pesquera, Concepcion. Bounce pass to Bulaon. Bulaon, step back jumper. Money for Bulaon. The lead is 7 for Saudi University. Patrick to Janelle. 10 seconds to shoot. Macintosh, pass deflected. Possession will remain with Yolanda home. 7 on the shot clock. Correct call. That's the correct call, ref. J-Mac. Okay, jump ball according to the referee. Possession can be okay. Hand to Bulaon. Bulaon 19, jumper, no good. Rebound. Last touch on Salvio Kuyo. Yolanda Holmes ball. 7 point lead by Saudi University. Macintosh running baseline. Loader, no good. Last touch on Yolanda. Possession Saudi University. Gatgula to Tan. Steve. Drop pass to Bulaon. Shot short. Rebound is Guerra. Guerra to Tan. Blocked by Ontiveros. Rebound by Ontiveros. Macintosh to Palma. And the strike play. 2 points for Palma. The lead is cut down to 5 for Yolanda. Concepcion with the handle. To Isguera. Isguera against Macintosh. Inside pass deflected by Yolanda. Last touch on Saudillo player. Turnover for Saudillo player. Last 2 minutes in the second quarter. Patrick inside pass to Ontiveros, gives it up to McIntosh. McIntosh drives, lays it up, lays it in. Thank you, McIntosh. The lead is cut down to Trey. 1 minute and 40 remaining in the second quarter. Floater by Gatdula. 2 points for Gatdula. Turnover for Yolanda. Turnover for General Gomez. Tan with the ball. Tan against McIntosh. Pass to Isguera. First-time jumper. No good. Rebound by Bularan. That goes a foul. Foul before the shot. Foul on the floor. Foul number 1, General Gomez. First personal foul, second team foul on General. Baseline inbound for Salvio Kea. 13 on the shot clock, 13 to shoot. Concepcion, the time, blocked by McIntosh, rebound by Ontiveros. Turnover by Ontiveros, number 5, last touch on Salvio Nursing. Possession, Yolanda home. Last 30 seconds on the game clock, 18 on the shot clock. Janelle to Paloma. Patrick with the ball against Stan. Patrick, mid-range jumper. Too strong rebound with Ontiveros. Put back by Ontiveros is good. The lead is 3, shot clock is off. Last 10 seconds of the second quarter. Gatdula. Gatdula, Floater, but there's a foul. Foul on Yolanda. Foul on number 23. Ontiveros. Second personal foul on Ontiveros, 13 foul. But Earl Gatdula travels to the free throw line, shooting 2 free throws. Chance for Salvio Nursing to increase the lead. The lead is 3 for Salvio Kea. First one for Gatdula is good, giving Salvio Kea a 4-point lead. One out of 2 for Gatdula. That's the end of the first half. Official score 28 for Salvio Kea, 24 for Yolanda Mo.
Get ready for another season of the Northern Brand Basketball. The Northern Girls Basketball is the partners team to win this year because we are the League of the North. VIP Salvio Kea Court Games Classic features 7 participating teams which will battle for Northern Basketball supremacy. Salvio Nursing, receive the game you deserve. Games a call away at Salvio Kea. Yolanda Homes. Whether you're looking to build your forever home or construct a multi-dwelling unit development project, Yolanda Homes is here to support you every step of the way. Legacy Assist. Whether you're living in your home or sharing combination, Legacy Assist offers a number of flexible and responsive supports to help you achieve your goals. KFS Powered by Inbox. KFS is your reliable logistics partner. With extensive experience and industry expertise, KFS specializes in the timely and secure valid by Inbox deliveries from Australia to the Philippines.
Rick, yellow ball, nag-jump ball, di ba?
Possession, third quarter possession belongs to Yolanda Home. Patrick Tumago inbound the ball for Yolanda. Yolanda down by 4. Palma, deep 3 for Palma. Bang! Palma for Trey. The lead is cut down to 1. Tan for Gordon. Gordon looking for a teammate. Back to Tan. Tan screen by Gulaon. Tan drop pass to Isguera. Baseline jumper, no good. Rebound Tan. Foul on Yolanda Home. Number 3. Kuya, who's foul? 23. Ian Ontiveros. That's 3 on Ontiveros. First on Yolanda Home. Josh Tan travels on the 59 shooting the free throws. First one is no good for Josh Tan. One out of 2 for Josh Tan. The lead is 2 for Southview Nursing. Palma against Tan. To Patrick. Back to Palma. 8 seconds to shoot. Patrick to Ontiveros. Ontiveros takes. Kicks out to Magnus. 3 seconds to shoot. Magnus will 3. No good. Rebound. Rebound by Noman. Noman with the ball. Noman. Kicks out to Ontiveros. Ontiveros got it 5 for 3. Too strong. Saves by Lopez to the wrong guy. Tan attacks the basket. Counter is good for Josh Tan. Ontiveros to Palma. Palma. Jumper too strong. Put back by Magnus instead. The lead is 2. For Southview Nursing. Tan to the ating Bunaron. Puts it up. No good rebound. Hega puts up no good. That was a foul. Sublet, foul number 77 on Fuente, 7. That's 2 on the Fuente. Second team foul on Yolanda. Bulacan checks out. Concepcion checks in. For Southview Nursing. Reaches Guerra at the challenge stripes, shooting 2 free throws. First one for Guerra is good. Giving Southview Nursing a 3-point lead. Our third game tonight, Silok versus PB Jam. Is the ready. 2 out of 2 for Richard Guerra. 4-point lead for Southview Nursing. Palma against Gakdula. Palma is stolen by Guerra. Guerra to Gordon. Gordon lays it up and over. Rebound is Guerra. Put back by Guerra and still over. Rebound. Concepcion. Tan with the ball. 8 seconds to shoot. Tan against the man. Tan. Counter. Short. Rebound. Patrick Noman. Patrick with the ball. Patrick to Palma. Palma against Guerra. Palma. But there's a foul. Unsportsmanlike foul is the rule of the referee. Foul is upgraded to unsportsmanlike foul. Sublet. What's the verdict?
Second foul, shot 3.
So foul 27, Concepcion.
Unsportsmanlike foul on 0 second motion.
So unsportsmanlike foul, 0 Palma, second motion. So first foul, second personal foul, second personal foul on Palma, and then third team foul on Yolanda. Palma at the line. First one is no good for Palma. So kinansel out na. So possession is unsportsmanlike foul on Palma. No. That's a turnover. Unsportsmanlike foul is a turnover. So possession shall be of yours. First free throw is good for Concepcion. Second free throw is good for Concepcion. Concepcion to Gatula. Time for Trey. No good. Rebound by Palma. Palma still high for the rebound. Palma to McIntosh. McIntosh for Trey. No good. Rebound Gatula. Gatula bounce pass to Esguerra. Esguerra against Ontiveros. To Concepcion. Concepcion for Trey. Too strong rebound Gomez. Alini 6 for Salvio Nursing. Palma, big three. Short rebound with Esguerra. Esguerra puso ang base to Gatula. To 10, raise it up, raise it in for touchdown. Kalinis 8 for Salvio Nursing. Ontiveros. Step back jumper, no good. Rebound. Esguerra. Esguerra to 10. Swings to Concepcion. To Gatula. Baseline jumper, no good. Offensive rebound by Esguerra. Then to Gatula. 10 seconds to shoot. Hand to Concepcion. Concepcion for Trey. Yes, sir. Tahimos 11 for Salvio Nursing. Palma. Reto sa Kobe. Foul number 7. El Gatula. First personal foul. Second team foul. Sub-rep. So Gatula, first personal foul, second team foul. Sideline inbound for Yolanda Holmes. 16 on the shot clock. Inside pass by Ontiveros to the Fuente. 2 points for the Fuente. Kalinis 9. 2 minutes and 5 seconds in the third quarter. Time against Palma. What is the foul? Foul on Yolanda Holmes. Number 0, Palma. Palma, third personal foul, warning for penalty. Sideline inbound for Salvio Nursing. Subject. Tan checks out. Yandan checks in for Yolanda. Yandan for Trey. No good. Raymond Gordon. Gordon put back. Backs it in for Raymond Gordon. Palma with the ball. Palma with the foul. Foul number 3. Gordon. First personal foul, third team foul. On Salvio Nursing. Palma travels to the free throw line, shooting 2 free throws. First free throw is good for Palma. Two out of 2 for Gerald Palma. The lead is knocked down to 9. Relax lang. Last touch on Salvio Nursing. Guys, come on na, relax. Meron tayong referees, meron tayong table officials, so please relax. Shot clock is off. Dibat. Concepcion. Esguerra. And 1. 2 points on Esguerra plus a foul. Foul on Yolanda Holmes. Number 77. Sherwin Fuente, third personal foul. Penalty. Bonus free throw for Esguerra. Bonus free throw is good for Esguerra. The lead is 12 for Salvio Nursing. That's the end of the third quarter. Official score 45 for Salvio Nursing, 33 for Yolanda Holmes.
Get ready Nova Fellows Basketball is the Ballers Keep the Winning Jersey because we are the league of the Nova. B&B Salvio Gilgil Court Kings Classic features 7 participating games which is bound for Northern Basketball Supremacy. Salvio Nurses. Receive the game you deserve. Give the call away at Salvio Gilgil.
Okay, back to the ball game. This is the last and final quarter of our second game between Salvio Nursing and Yolanda Home. Fourth quarter possession belongs to Salvio Nursing. Salvio Nursing up by 12. Yandan against Ontiveros. Yandan drop pass to Esguerra. Esguerra labas kaya no good. Back to the foul. Foul on Yolanda Home. 77, Cherling at 20, that's 4 on the 20. First team foul on Yolanda. Reaches Guerra to charge the strike, shooting 2 free throws. First one is no good, fourth on the first try. One out of 2 for Reaches Guerra. The lead is 13. On the Veros for Trey. Bang! On the Veros for Trey. The lead is 10. Yandan with the ball. Running back to Yamosun. Yandan loses the ball but there's a foul. Foul on Yolanda, number 6. Patrick Noman. Third on Patrick Noman. Second team foul on Yolanda. Yandan at the free throw line shooting 2 free throws. First one for Yandan is good. 11-point lead again for Salvio Nursing. Our third game tonight, Silong versus TD Jams. Please be ready. 1 out of 2 for Yandan. Rebound of Tibares. Scoring by Tibares. Tibares to Gordon. Lays it up. Lays it in for Gordon. The lead is 13 for Salvio player. Palma hits Tibares after the foul. Foul before the shot. Foul number 11, Vivares. That's 2 on Vivares. First on Salvio player. Sideline inbound for Yolanda. Patrick in the ball. Patrick Yandan to Palma. Palma against Vivares. Palma to Noman. Noman. Lauter. Too strong. Rebound is Esguerra. Esguerra with the ball. Esguerra to Yandan. Banner. No good. Rebound Esguerra. Esguerra loses the ball. Last touch on Yolanda. Possession remaining with Salvio player. Sideline inbound. Esguerra to Vivares. Vivares against Noman. Vivares pass to Yandan. 7 on the shot clock. Takes it out to Esguerra for Trey. No good. Ball out of bounds. Possession, Yolanda home. Palma gets out to Ontiveros for Trey. No good. Rebound on Ontiveros. Ontiveros that pass to Gomez. Shot by Gomez. Still no good. Rebound Gordon. Gordon forward pass to Vivares. Sends it to the wrong guy. Stolen by Noman. Noman to Ontiveros. Ontiveros best and jumper. Marie Ontiveros. The lead is 11. Timeout left. Timeout. Salvio clear. Official score 49 for Saudi Cater, 38 for Yolanda Holmes.
Get ready for another season of the Northern Brand Basketball. The Northern Females Basketball is where Butler's keep the winning tradition because we are the League of the North. BIB Silvio Pianta, collecting passes features certain participating teams, which is
Layo!
Back to the ball game. This is the last and final quarter of our second game, Week 5 between Saudi University and Yolanda Holmes. 5 minutes and 3 seconds in the last quarter. Saudi Cater up by 11. Tan against Palma. Tan rapas Esguerra, kicks it out of the Gula. To Tan. Tan under the foul. Foul on Yolanda Holmes. Number 23 on Tiberos. That's 4 on Tiberos. 13 foul on Yolanda. At the line, shooting 2 free throws is Josh Tan. 4 minutes and 30 in the ball game. First one is good for Tan. The lead is 12. Two out of 2 for Justin. The lead is 13 for Saudi Cater. Palma. Deep three. Bang! 3 points for Palma. Carrying the lead to 10 for Yolanda Holmes. 3 minutes and 50 in the ball game. Mula sa Concepcion. Sugandula. Gandula sa Tribunalo. 7 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Concepcion inside. No good rebound. Palma. Palma holding by Esguerra. Palma, runner. Lays it in for Palma. Plus a foul. Foul on Esguerra. Number 6, Sabrek. Second personal foul on Esguerra. Second team foul on Saudi University. Chance for a 3-point play. Sabrek for Palma. Esguerra out. Gordon in for Saudi University. We approach the last 3 minutes. Last 3-minute mark of the last quarter. Palma chance for a 3-point play. Bonus free throw is good for Palma. Carrying the lead to 9 for Yolanda Holmes. 51. The lead is 7. Gandula, the time. 7 seconds, 5 seconds to shoot. That is a foul. Foul number 6, Patrick Noman. 4th personal foul, warning for penalty. Yolanda warning for penalty. 2 minutes and 39 in the ball game. 7-point lead by Saudi University. Gandula against Numan. 6 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Time. Eurostep. Hammer is there at the time. The lead is back to 9. Palma on Tiberos. On Tiberos drive back pass to General Gomez. Uses the glass. 2 points for General Gomez. The lead is 7. Time to Gordon. Gordon to Gandula. Last 2 minutes. Gandula to Bunaon. 5 seconds to shoot. Gordon to Concepcion. 2 seconds to shoot. Concepcion inside to Gordon. Raise it up for a good rebound. Dylan Gomez. Media to Palma. Palma against Gordon. Palma raise it up. Raise it in for Palma. Timeout. Timeout. Salvio Nursing. That's the last timeout of Salvio Care. Last timeout. Official score 53 for Salvador Care, 48 for Yolanda Home. 1 minute and 38 in the ball game. Timeout situation 2 for Yolanda. Nothing also consumed. The timeout was consumed already for Salvador Care. Timeout situation 0 for Salvador Nursing, 2 for Yolanda Home.
Yolanda, what do you look at?
Ikaw yung ano, ikaw na palagay ba, di ba?
1 minute and 38 remaining in the ball game. 5-point lead by Salvador Care. 14 on the shot clock. Concepcion winning on the ball to Gatdula. Gatdula against Patrick. Screen by Tan. Gatdula, runner. Runner is there for Gatdula. Gomez. Romanicos to Palma. The lead is 7. Palma against Tan. Maricos tapos sa foul. Sabret.
Pwede mo balik. Ange.
Push ball red. Number 27. Concepcion. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Baseline inbound according to the referee. 1 minute and 20 seconds in the ball game. Gomez inbound the ball to Palma. Palma shot. That is good for Palma. The lead is 5. Sani the ball. 1 minute and 12 seconds remaining in the last quarter. Concepcion to Esguerra. Esguerra drapas to Pulawan. Straight and short rebound. Junal Gomez. Gomez with the ball. Gomez touch the basket and block by. Block by. Jump balls to all over. Referee possession will remain with Salvador Nursing. Yolanda Home. Fourth quarter possession belongs to Salvador Nursing. So Arrow points to Yolanda. Palma drives down rebound. Bolao. Stolen by Palma. Palma drives. Number 3 on Bolao. Concepcion is Guerra. Guerra with the ball. Hounded by Roberts. To Gatdula. Gatdula against Maricos. To Concepcion. Concepcion for play. Number rebound is Guerra. Turnover for Salvador Nursing possession. Yolanda Home. 39.9 seconds remaining in the ball game. 5-point lead by Yolanda. Salvador Nursing rather. Palma against Tan. To Maricos. Maricos for three. No good. Rebound. Gatdula. Shot clock is off. Tan with the ball. Loses the ball. Stolen by Ontiveros. Ontiveros let it fly for three. Short. Rebound Ontiveros. Ontiveros under. No good still. Rebound Tan. That's the end of the second game. Salvador Nursing remains in the field. 5-50 is the score. Salvinas prevails over Yolanda Good game, guys. Our last game for tonight, Silog versus PB Jam. Please be ready, 5 minutes, warm up.